Delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS. That's the thing that's got you stuck in your bed thinking maybe staying home eating cupcakes is not that bad. Beginners are especially affected by muscle soreness, but why is that the case exactly? Well, let's talk about it. As mentioned, delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS, is the soreness you feel about a day after exercise. This is different from the soreness you feel during or immediately after exercise, which is known as acute muscle soreness. Acute muscle soreness also tends to go away very quickly, whereas DOMS peaks in severity around 48 hours and can last up to a week, occasionally longer. DOMS is a symptom of exercise-induced muscle damage, which occurs, unsurprisingly, from exercise, but more specifically from exercises in which one is not accustomed to performing. And that's essentially the reason why beginners tend to experience DOMS more than anyone else. Until adaptation to exercise-induced muscle damage occurs, its symptoms, like DOMS, will persist. And the only way to fundamentally adapt to muscle damage, thus muscle soreness, is with the repeated bout effect, or by performing more and more bouts of exercise. Now, this is specific to the exercise itself, and it does have to be consistently repeated exercise bouts, which means even an experienced gym goer can get sore whenever they try new and unfamiliar exercises or take a long break from the gym. Unfortunately, since beginners start with a remarkable zero number of bouts for any exercise, DOMS will be at its worst. Now, the next question is this a good or bad thing? I wouldn't really look at it as a good or bad thing, but just something pretty much everyone has to deal with. Now, if there's any reason you feel that the pain is too much or you suspect it's something other than soreness, then it would be a good idea to talk to your doctor. Some also say that experiencing DOMS is a sign of a good workout, but that's not always the case since we know that the more we work out, the less severe DOMS will be, which obviously does not mean that our workout itself is less effective. Again, DOMS is DOMS and really nothing else. It comes from exercise-induced muscle damage, which occurs from unaccustomed exercises, which happens to be exactly what beginners will be doing when they finally start working out. And if you are a beginner going through a pretty rough bout of DOMS right now, which is probably why you clicked on this video in the first place, then my biggest tip for you is to keep pumping those muscles up, baby. And also watch my other videos specifically on muscle soreness tips. Trust me, things will get better, my friend, and if it doesn't, I was never here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a repeated bout of thumbs up and share it with your DOMS-loving friends. Subscribe for more. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to get your protein, which curiously enough can help with soreness.